Hi friends, welcome back to Top Tip. In last video, we checked the system requirements for upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11. In this video, we will check how to do that upgrade. For that, first we need to do some settings change in your current PC. We will go to Start, just write Settings, go to Settings, go to Update and Security, go to Advanced option, then just check it all on. Go back. Now press check for updates. It will take a little time. Here you can see some updates came already. That one all Windows 2010 and Office 10. But still we didn't get the update for Windows 11. So we have to download this one first and we will try again. Click download and install. Now it's getting downloading. Let's wait until it's finished. Now the feature update Windows 10 version 21H1 is downloaded already. Now it's getting installing. The feature update Windows 10 version 21H1 is already installed. We required a restart to finish that one. Let's wait for the other two to finish, then we can restart together. It will take some time because it's depending upon the last updates when you're done. If you didn't do any update for a long time, it will take a long time to get all the update, because once all the previous update is installed, then only you will get the new updates like new windows and new features. So if you didn't do any updates regularly, you have to wait. And also one thing, once you are doing this updating procedures, make sure your Windows is genuine, like you purchased the Windows or you have the license for this Windows. Yes, now all the updates are downloaded. Now we can go for a restart. Just press restart. Again go to settings, update and security. Again check for update. Here again showing too much updates, all related to Windows 10 and Microsoft 10. We have to update all this. Let's wait to finish this one also. Here you can see something is downloading. After download, it will get installed. Once it install, it will go from here. You can see one by one is installing and disappearing from here. Now we have pending install 1, 2, 3, 4 pending install and 2 downloads, and one is installing. That one is finished. You can wait until finishing this all. Now the last one is getting downloading. Yes, now all the updates are downloaded. Now we can go for a restart. Just press restart. Now your PC getting restarting. Here also it will take a little time. Please keep in your mind, just plug your charger in this time. Okay, just log back again. Again we will go to settings, update and security, Windows update. Still we didn't get the update for Windows 11, so we can do some more settings change. We need to enroll in Windows Insider program because Windows 11 is now getting only for developers, so we have to be a part of inside program as a developer. Go to Windows Insider program, click get started. Here you need to link your Microsoft account. Click link an account, click on Microsoft account, click continue. Here you have to give the Microsoft account. Click next, give the password, click sign in, click next. Okay, just register, just do sign up, accept the agreement policy, press submit. Okay, now the registration is finished, just close it. Okay, this is the main one. Here we need to select developer channel, then press confirm, confirm. Now we need to restart our PC. Click restart now. Do login back. Go to settings, update and security. We will just check Windows Insider program now. Yeah, it's developer channel and our account is registered there. Just go back to Windows update. Now it's still downloading. Wait until it's finished. Downloading finished. Now it's getting installed. Okay, again we need to do a restart. Do login. Go to settings, update and security, and check for the update. Yes, finally we getting the update of Windows 11 Insider Preview. Let it be download. After a long waiting, it's getting finished. It's already 99% downloaded. Now 100% finish, and the installing is started. Now the 100% is finished. Let's wait for the restarting. Okay, here we get the message for restart. Not now. Press restart now. We should wait few more minutes to see the new operating system, Windows 11. Yes, here it's coming, the new Windows 11. Super excited. Preparing your Windows. Finally, we are on a login. Just give your password. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, finally we're done with our Windows 11. We will check the more features in coming videos. All of you must try this way to get a genuine Windows 11. And I hope all of you guys enjoy this video. Please share our channel and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks a lot.